Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are unable to change your taskbar color on your Windows 10, this video will surely help you. As you can see, I have the light theme activated right now, and the taskbar color is according to the light theme. I will open the settings app by right click on the start button and selecting settings. Then I go to personalization and then go to colors option. As you can see here, the light mode is selected, means the light color is selected, and due to this light color the start taskbar and action center option is grayed out. This means I can't select it or change this option or activate this option, and hence can't change the taskbar color. So what you need to do to fix it is simply select the custom as your color, and then you have to choose dark as the default Windows mode. Once you select dark, the taskbar color will definitely change, as you can see in my case. And you do not need to select the default tab mode, you can choose it to whatever you like, so there is no impact of that on the taskbar color. So as you can now see, once I have selected dark mode, the option start taskbar and action center is now configurable. So the problem has been resolved. Let me show you. We are changing to different colors. So I have now picked another previous color and the taskbar color is changed successfully. Now I will select another blue color, and yet again the taskbar color is successfully changed. I will now revert back to the previous color, and yes, the color change is successful again. So in this way we have resolved the problem. If you are still unable to change color, do let me know via your comments. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Do like it, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.